In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fuel pump driver module on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. On either side of the rear seat, you're going to find these brackets. Inside of these brackets, there will be a T40 bolt. Using a T40 bit, we're going to remove the bolts. Lift up on the back of the seat and tilt it forward. Pull up the carpet on the passenger side. Pulling back the carpet will reveal the fuel pump driver module. Remove the connector from the fuel pump driver module. Push on the top tab, pull straight back, remove the connector. Using a 6mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the module. Pull the module straight up and remove it. Install the module. Get the bolts started. Snug the bolts down. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull back. Make sure it's locked on. Pull the carpet back into place, being sure to put it under the trim pieces. It may help to have a trim tool to be able to lift slightly up on the trim piece and guide the carpet under it. Install the seat. Make sure it's hooked onto the hooks in the back, and then get the bolts in the front started. Get the bolts started. Do the same thing on either side. Using a T40 bit, snug the bolts down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.